Lord recognizes the grateful one, and the Lord exalts the humble one. May the Lord continue to bless this Asian Hospital community, and may the good Lord complete and fulfill the good work that He has begun in all of us.
Talagang this is a truly momentous day as we celebrate our 20th. The past 20 years won't be a success without, of course, all your support and your help. And we really, truly appreciate, and we are humbled by the support and trust you've given all of Asian Hospital these past years.
Ako ay nag-aanyaya sa lahat makiisa sa amin sa paglunsad at sa pagbibigay pugay sa mga doktor at mga dentista ng Asian Hospital and Medical Center ngayong 20th anniversary. Maraming salamat po.
Asian will continue to grow. The challenge remains na mapagsilbihan natin lahat ng pangangailangan ng mga taga rito sa South. Pumupunta sa atin dahil nalaman nila, nabalitaan nila kung paano natin alagaan ang mga pasyente. Congratulations to all of you. Happy anniversary!